If you want to change the font size and font style in Google Chrome, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to adjust Chrome's appearance settings so you can make web pages easier to read, choose different font styles, and even set a minimum font size so text never becomes too small. This is a quick and useful Chrome customization that can make browsing much more comfortable, whether you're working, studying, or just reading online. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Chrome gives you a few helpful text and display options that can improve how websites look on your screen. You can change the font size, the font style, and the minimum font size for web pages. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner and click the three dots menu. This opens the main Chrome menu. From there, click Settings. That will take you into the Chrome settings page. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu with different categories. Click Appearance. This is where Chrome keeps its display and readability options, including the controls for fonts. Now, look for font size. Click the drop-down menu and you'll see several choices, including very small, small, medium, large, and very large. Select the size you want and Chrome will apply the change to supported web pages right away. If the text on websites feels too tiny, moving up one size can make a big difference. If you prefer more text on the screen at once, you can choose a smaller size. Next, if you want more control over the way web pages look, click Customize Fonts. This opens the advanced font settings inside Chrome. Here, you can change the font types used by websites. You'll see options for standard font, serif font, sans-serif font, and fixed width font. Each one can be adjusted from its own drop-down menu. Standard font is the default typeface Chrome uses for many pages. Serif fonts have the small decorative strokes at the ends of letters. Sans-serif fonts are cleaner and more modern looking. Fixed width fonts are useful when characters need to line up evenly, like in code or technical content. Choose the fonts you prefer from each dropdown, and Chrome will apply them to websites that support those font settings. If you want to make sure text never becomes too small, go back and find the minimum font size slider. Move that slider to the right to increase the smallest size Chrome will allow on web pages. This is especially helpful on sites that use tiny text by default. By setting a minimum font size, you make browsing easier on your eyes and reduce the need to zoom in constantly. It's a simple change, but it can improve your experience a lot. And that's it. You've now learned how to change the font size and font style in Google Chrome. You can adjust Chrome to match your reading preference, make websites more comfortable, and fine-tune the look of text across supported pages. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.